Hey, so today I'm going to show you how to make iced coffee at home. What you need is some sort of container. I use my big glass measuring cup because it has 8 cups of measurement, which is what you need. Any type of ground coffee. So this is all these, but I just reuse this container. I just keep pouring coffee in it. But you can use whichever brand you like. You can actually choose flavors, like you know how they have ground hazelnut or caramel, whatever you like. It just has to be ground coffee. So you need 1 cup of coffee grounds. Okay, so pour your coffee grounds in there, and then you need 8 cups of water. Here I am waiting for my water. Isn't this entertaining? Okay, so I have 8 cups of water and my 1 cup of coffee grounds. So I'm just gonna whisk it up. And then I just take my saran wrap and cover it up. I set mine on top of my stove and we'll do the rest tomorrow. Hey everybody, welcome back. So now we're on day 2 of our coffee process. Okay, so I have my glass container, which has the 8 cups of water and the ground coffee. It has steeped for 24 hours, and now I've just uncovered it. I placed just a kitchen towel underneath my canister, and then my coffee, because it can get a little messy. Now there's a couple things you need. This is, it kind of is like a cheesecloth, but it wasn't called that. I got it at Walmart for $1. It was in the section like where they have all their canning goods, but it's just like a white cloth, or it used to be white. I throw mine in the washing machine after I rinse all the grounds out of it and just reuse it. So it was $1. I have a couple of them. I fold it and then I place it on top of my container. I have a Oneida stainless fine mesh strainer. Okay, lucky for me, it fits right on top of my canister. The canister I've been using for 2 years now. I got it at TJ Maxx, but I just put my strainer there and then I flip my cloth over top. So see, it's completely covered. So it's almost like it's going through the cloth like 4 times, like 4 layers. You can do less. I don't know, that's what I've done. So the easiest thing I found to use is just a measuring cup. And I just take the measuring cup and I pour it in, and if you see, it just filters right through. It takes me probably 10 minutes to filter my coffee. I won't make you suffer through 10 minutes. You will find that the coffee, it gets wet and it kind of comes down this whole cloth here. So that's the point of putting a towel, because it can like drip down the side, and I mean, you end up having to clean your counter anyway, but I try not to have like it running everywhere. Some things that you'll run into when you're straining your coffee. So there are grounds of coffee floating through here, and sometimes they'll clog up your cloth. So just take your spoon and move it around your cloth and kind of push the grounds. Either get the grounds out, see like I did right here, put them back in the bowl, or just throw them out on a paper towel maybe. Now what I like about doing this process, if you get the 12-ounce coffee, the small bags of ground coffee, I get the 12-ounce of Dunkin' Donut. At our Walmart, the Dunkin' Donut coffee is sometimes on sale for $5.98. Sometimes it's like $6.98. Anyway, so that makes me iced coffee for about a month, and then your cost of your creamers. And it's a more cost-efficient method for me than going to Dunkin' Donuts and spending at least $2 on an iced coffee. And I get to drink coffee every day, whenever I want. Okay, so when you get close to the end, sometimes it becomes easier to just pour. So that's about the last of it. And I'll rinse this in the sink. So I'll seal this up and I just put it in my fridge for it to get cold. And then I'll show you some of my favorite creamers. I love International Delight Caramel Macchiato. This one is hard for me to find in my area. It's also International Delight, and it's Oreo. And then I love Coffee House Dove Chocolate Almond. So good. And there's a couple from Aldi's that I like. I definitely love their hazelnut but it's worth trying a few now. Again, this coffee is for you if number one, you want to save money. Number two, you love sweet coffees like iced coffee from McDonald's or from Dunkin' Donuts or Starbucks. So good luck. Let me know how it goes for you. So my kids are in full play mode, and I am thankful that I have iced coffee at home whenever I want it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.